Hi guys, so the next hotel that we're stopping at is on the island of Oahu. It's called the Kahala, which is on the other side of Diamond Head from Waikiki. It is a 5-star luxury hotel, and I wanted to give you a little tour of our room here. It is a scenic lanai view with a nice balcony overlooking the mountainside. So with these rooms, they actually have an exterior connecting door, so if you need two rooms connecting, you can have this outside door closed if you're coming with your kids. We are in room 710. And here we have a king bedded room with a nice fan, really large sitting area, desk area for working. And then you go through here to your balcony. Bathroom, sorry, not balcony. And here you have a coffee station, coffee, ice, hot water, and underneath, refrigerator. These bathrooms are really large because they have both a shower and a tub. So on this side, you have a nice tub. Vanity with first sink and a closet area. Plenty of storage, lots of drawers. In this cabinet here, you have a small safe. Private toilet area with a door and a full-length mirror. Here you have the second sink, and on this side you have the shower area. Again, tons of storage. The room itself is very, very large. And then second closet on this side, his and hers closets, his and her sinks. And then through here, king bed with drawers again on both sides. And then for us, this beautiful view with the mountains in the background. So the guy was just telling us that if you keep the door open, the air conditioning will actually shut off in the room, which is pretty standard. We found in the other hotels in Hawaii. And out here we have, ooh, nice waterfall view. Golf course, and then the town. And actually we do have a little bit of a partial ocean view on this side. And the balcony itself is large, as well as kind of matches the size of the rooms. So that's it for our tour of our Kahala room. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, subscribe, helps out my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks.